Welcome back to Andy's Road Trip. Because I am meticulous and am trying to stay in chronological order, we just evaluated number 6, the Uselid dump truck. And please, it's pronounced Uselid, not useless. Anyway, after number 6 in the alphabet, what is the next number? 4, of course. Yes, I did skip number 4, the Triumph 110 motorcycle with Sidecar. And that was for a very good reason. The reason being I didn't have the original earliest box. So I went out and purchased one. Just for us.
Wow.
Just for this channel. So today we're going to evaluate the Triumph 110 motorcycle with Sidecar, and actually, so it has 3 wheels. The wheels are, for this era, very well detailed with spokes, and the car does surprisingly well. It's not a car, it's a motorcycle. But anyway, and it only has 3 wheels. And the thing is fast. So let's weigh it in and let's take it on the treadmill and let's see what it can do. Make sure it's at 0. Recalibrated. Very good. Okay. Triumph 110 motorcycle with Sidecar. A resounding 0.7 ounces. You know what? Let's add the box. 0.8.
Wow.
Okay, it's a lightweight.